Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this rain effect using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have the rain effect. First, create a new layer using the plus icon under the layer panel. Ensure the foreground color is white and the background color is black. Then, choose the paint bucket tool from the toolbar and fill the new layer with white color. Now, go to the filter option in the menu bar, choose render, and select fibers. Adjust the variance and strength values according to your preferences and click OK. Select the new layer and change the blending mode from normal to screen. Next, select the Create New Fill icon under the layer panel and choose Levels. Under the Levels panel, select the Click to affect all layers below option and adjust the settings as follows. You can modify these settings based on your preferences. Now, go to the filter option in the menu bar again, choose Blur, and select Motion Blur. Adjust the distance value accordingly and click OK. Once more, go to the filter option in the menu bar, choose Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Change the radius value accordingly and click OK. Press Ctrl+T to enable free transform and adjust the screen accordingly. Next, select the Create New Fill icon under the layer panel and choose Curves. Modify the curve as follows. Now, you will have achieved your desired rain effect. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.